that's it. It's our whenua, it's our land. So I think that hononga is important between here and there. The game of golf is, you're growing up thinking it's sort of not a Māori sport, and a lot of our kids didn't even know this place existed.
They're our neighbours, so it's a good partnership where we get to encourage them to come down and learn and participate in golf and have an opportunity to connect socially. That's what's important to us.
Ko te mea pai tēnei a karapu, ko te whakawhanaungatanga o Ngāti Whātua ki konei. Nā mātou I tākoha I ētai o ngā rākau ki konei, hei whakatūria mo te karapu, mo tātou ngā rangatahi he tino pai ki te patu te pōro. Ko he tie paunamu.
So anyone know what this kind of club is called?
He tino pai e nei o ngā kai awhina, hei patu I te pōro tōtika. Ko te mea ki ahau mo toku haerenga ki te ao, he haere ki te PGA Tour, he tākoro.
That's the ultimate goal, is to have the next professional golfer, ideally out of Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei, but just in Te Ao Māori, that'll be awesome to see. We've had those great golfers in the past.
Some of those kids, man, they've got some natural talent. So, it's about creating that pathway to a sport for them and supporting them and encouraging them. This is a beautiful piece of urban green space, and we love sharing it with everyone, and we love the fact that these people who have been connected to this land for a long time get the opportunity to enjoy it. It really is an asset for everyone.
If other iwi out there, definitely go and connect with your local golf club and see what type of relationship you can build with them, because it's just an amazing opportunity. The kids love it, and it just teaches them a new skill as well.